Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video I'm going to show you how can you edit vertical video in horizontal mode in Camtasia. So guys, for that at first you need to choose a video. I have chosen a vertical video here, you can see. Now you need to make this video horizontal. So to make it, at first you need to click on this icon. Just left click on this icon. And the last option here is you can see project settings, click on it. Now clicking it, here you can see canvas dimensions, click on it. And here you can see there are vertical options are here. And in the top here you can see the horizontal options. If you want to make it full HD, you can just click it, this option FHD, just click on it and click on apply. Now the video is in full HD. And after you have made this video vertical to horizontal, you can just add so many animation, transition or visual effects. Just like clicking on transition, here you can see there are so many transition here in the wipe section. If you click on here, you can change the transitions just like clicking all. You can see all kind of transitions are here. If I put this on here, you will see the video will change. You can also add these animations. You can zoom in or zoom out. I have added just 2 frames. So guys, that's how you can edit vertical video in horizontal mode in Camtasia. Hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Techavro. Thank you very much for watching the video.